That was day 1 of my 30-day cold shower challenge, and as you could probably tell, that sucked monkey balls. I don't know how those YouTubers do it, where they just seem so perfect and calm during these cold showers. Like, it sucks. It hurts. Your balls feel like they're gonna fall off. Your toes feel like they're gonna fall off. Oh, so why the hell am I doing this? Long story short, it's to improve my discipline. For the longest time, I thought of myself as a lazy person and that I was lazy for my entire life. But then I thought about what exactly causes laziness. So I did a bit of research and I found this interesting article about the psychology of laziness. It says, for a person to embark on a project, he has to value the return on his labor more than the loss of his comfort. Basically what it's saying is that we're scared of the discomfort that comes from working. That's why we procrastinate, that's why we stray from our goals, because eventually we start asking ourselves, is it even worth it? And we're scared that at the end of the day, we won't have as much happiness as we would just sitting around doing nothing. But of course we know that's not true. We'd all love to be fit, rich, and successful if we had the choice. And we all know that feeling at night when we feel miserable because we haven't accomplished anything today and we feel like we just wasted 24 hours. So it all really just comes back to that subconscious fear of discomfort. But how do we overcome that fear? It's simple. You just fight it every day. So it's been a week since I started this challenge now, and to be honest, I don't know if it does anything, man. God damn. It's hard to tell after a week if like my discipline or anything improved, because can it really improve from just cold showers? I don't know, we'll find out at the end of 30 days. It is now day 30 and I've finished this challenge, and I can tell you right off the bat, it did not get any easier by day 30. Every time I stepped to the water, I kind of expected that it wouldn't feel as cold as the day before, but no. Every single day, it almost felt colder a lot of days. But I did feel less scared jumping to the water. At the beginning, a lot of times I would kind of stick my finger in and stick my leg in, go in and out of the water, just like feel the coldness of the water. By day 30, I would straight up just turn the knob and let it run onto my body. Okay, so what benefits did I feel? I didn't pay attention to any of those physiological benefits. Those things like the Wim Hof method, breathing techniques, my immune system being boosted, weight loss. I feel like there's way too many factors that'll affect any boost in health from a cold shower. I'm sorry, maybe I'm wrong. But what I did pay attention to is the fact that this was probably the most productive month of my life. I was actually on top of my sleep schedule and the gym for probably the first time ever. Especially in my last semester of school, I could never get 8 hours of sleep consistently. This month, I got 8 hours of sleep every single day without fail. And I really think that's correlated with the fact that I was taking cold showers. Because I had something difficult I had to force myself to do every single day, it was kind of a little foundation where I can build confidence in myself to take on any productive task. I built my sleep schedule on top of that, and then I started going to the gym more consistently because of my sleep schedule. It wasn't the direct cause for everything, by no means. I could have easily taken cold showers and lived like a complete bum this month, but it definitely gave me a push, you know, that little bit of momentum to just get things rolling in every day. And as little as that may seem for these like people who put these grand like ideas up, like cold showers turn you into a completely different person, it didn't really do that, but it helped for sure. I don't know about from a physiological standpoint, you know, all that junk, but just from a productivity standpoint, I think that's all it can offer, but it is very valuable. Thank you guys for watching, and like the video if you found it at least a little helpful, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.